Bandang penselur gitu ki Samla Pule ki belawan hak kerdan bakam sekamat ya ke Eksamin Sslc arjar kerkendai na kaliang ke NPP Jirang blok henne ka sngi kila penlong biang ya ke second facilitation ne ke jingpun ku Burom gitu ki Samla Pule ki bede ne ke snong ke bahap apo ke Jirang constituency bat ki belawan sekamat hak ne ke Sslc examination hak ne ke jingpun ku Burom ke bala penlong ha bernihat auditorium kila don hadu arpu prangut ki Samla Pule na kate ke constituency ki bela syak pun ku Burom bat ki bala sakhi hakani ka sngi ki kenthop yu uda sakhiat lamari MLA ka mahoti ubala longru kum ukongsan uba Sostnes Sotun MLA ka Jirang uba VS Nongbet DSEO ka Ribhoi kinohikai ki kemi pa lambat ki we
Habis kita berfleksibel, nama kita puasa kita, Wah, lampai mungkin mata orang itu dalam kesimpulan, wah, mulai balik lagi dulu, bayar mungkin. It's very short example because you guys are very privileged. I'm talking to the students. You guys are very privileged that your parents are sending you. So why I'm saying privilege is because I want you to take advantage of what privilege you have. What principle you can resident in your part. What principle you have the gene community in your part, Good morning, and I'm not ashamed because you know why? I was a privileged person. I was in champion in many sports. Horse riding, swimming, football, shooting. I'm a very privileged person. But studies, I was very lucky. Not because I didn't try, but it's not in my blood, I think. It's not in my blood, not to study. No matter how much I study, simplify in my life. But one day, before I became an MLA, I'll tell you a very interesting story about myself. Before I became an MLA, I started my campaign